Want to bring a touch of modern comfort into your home? These premium Amazon household gadgets are designed to upgrade your space with smarter solutions that make daily living easier and more enjoyable. From sleek organizers to time-saving helpers, they blend style with convenience in the best way. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Tired muscles don't stand a chance with this cordless massager in your hand. It delivers thousands of soothing pulses per minute to relax your neck, back, shoulders, legs, and more. 5 interchangeable heads let you target different areas just the way you like. The lightweight, rechargeable design makes it easy to use at home, in the office, or on the go. After just 20 minutes, you'll feel refreshed and recharged. Big gatherings call for big refreshment, and this rolling party cooler delivers. With space for over 100 cans, it keeps drinks icy cold for up to a day and a half. Smooth wheels make it easy to roll across patios, while locking casters keep it steady when the fun begins. The flip-top lid gives quick access, and a built-in opener makes serving effortless. Sturdy steel construction ensures it lasts party after party. Step in, press down, and your shoes are covered. No bending, no fuss. This dispenser uses a simple pedal system, so it works without electricity. It comes preloaded with covers that fit most shoe sizes, making it perfect for homes, offices, or workshops. With room for 30 covers at once, you won't need constant refills. Durable, easy to use, and hygienic, it keeps floors spotless while saving you time. Why sit in a regular chair when you can float in comfort? This Hammock Swing surrounds you with a soft cushion that feels like sitting on a cloud. The sturdy frame and woven design keep you safe while holding plenty of weight. You can hang it indoors for reading and relaxing, or outdoors for that breezy boho vibe. Easy to set up, it instantly turns any corner into your favorite retreat. Spills and stains don't stand a chance with this compact cleaner by your side. It uses steam, strong suction, and a cleaning formula to pull out even the toughest messes from carpets, upholstery, or car seats. 3 modes let you handle everything from pet accidents to oily stains to refreshing tile and grout. Your furniture dries in about half an hour, so you can get back to relaxing faster. Long hours at a desk don't have to mean cold, tired feet. This heated footrest warms you up with 2 adjustable heat levels, while also improving circulation. Built-in vibration massage adds extra comfort, helping fight fatigue during long work or gaming sessions. You can adjust the height to match your chair, and the soft surface with memory foam keeps it cozy. It even doubles as knee support when resting on a bed or sofa. Keeping track of spices, condiments, or bathroom essentials gets so much easier with this rotating organizer. It spins smoothly, giving you quick access to everything without digging through cluttered shelves. The 2-tier design doubles your storage in the same spot, while the non-slip surface and raised edges keep items in place. Easy to clean and simple to set up, it's a compact solution that works in any room. Say goodbye to messy microwave cleanups. This collapsible splatter cover keeps food from exploding all over while heating, thanks to its vented design that lets steam escape for even cooking. When you're done, it snaps magnetically to the microwave ceiling so it's always within reach. Made from safe, BPA-free material, it handles heat without warping. Space-saving, practical, and simple, it's the microwave helper you'll use every day. Who says wall lights need messy wiring? These battery-operated sconces mount easily with just a couple of screws. No electrician required. Both ends of the lamp rotate independently, so you can shape them however you like for a modern touch. Use the remote to pick warm, natural, or cool light, and even dim it to your mood. With long-lasting rechargeable batteries, they're perfect for cozy bedrooms or stylish living rooms. Cold nights outdoors just got a whole lot cozier. This oversized camping chair heats up in seconds, warming both the back and seat so you can stay toasty by the fire or at a game. You can pick between 3 heat settings to match the chill in the air. A sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 400 pounds, yet it's lightweight and easy to carry. With a side table and pocket built in, comfort and convenience come standard. Keeping things germ-free just got easier. This mini disinfection fogger sprays a fine mist that coats surfaces evenly without leaving them wet. The stainless steel nozzle makes it sturdy, while the ergonomic grip keeps it comfortable to hold. A built-in blue light adds an extra touch of sanitizing power. Lightweight and cordless, it's perfect for quickly refreshing high-touch areas at home, in the car, or at the office. Small bathrooms need smart solutions. This slim trash can tuck neatly into tight corners without taking up space. The press-down lid locks in odors, keeping your bathroom fresh and tidy. Inside, a removable bucket with handles makes emptying and cleaning simple, and the built-in toilet brush holder keeps everything organized in one spot, so your bathroom looks clean and uncluttered every day. That sweater you love doesn't need to look worn out. This fabric shaver quickly removes fuzz, lint, and pills, so your clothes look fresh again. You can adjust between 3 settings depending on the fabric, making it gentle yet effective. The large head covers more area fast, while the detachable catcher keeps cleanup simple. It's portable and battery-powered, so you can freshen up clothes or furniture anywhere. Spills and stains don't stand a chance. This portable carpet and upholstery cleaner packs serious suction power to pull dirt right out of rugs, furniture, and even car seats. A special solution mixes automatically inside, giving you extra strength against tough spots and odors. It's especially handy for pet messes, leaving fabrics fresh and clean. Lightweight and compact, you can grab it quickly and tackle accidents anywhere. Turn your porch or backyard into the perfect relaxation spot with this swivel rocker chair. The smooth rocking motion and 360-degree swivel let you lounge, chat, or enjoy the view without moving the chair itself. Hand-woven resin wicker gives it a stylish look while staying durable against the elements. Thick cushions and an ergonomic frame keep comfort front and center. Lighting your steps at night doesn't have to be tricky. These solar-powered deck lights soak up the sun by day and glow automatically at dusk. The warm white light creates a cozy look, while also guiding your way safely down stairs or paths. They're built tough to handle rain and snow, so you don't have to worry about the weather. Installation is simple, just fix them where sunlight hits, and you're set. Gathering around the fire just got safer and more stylish. This surround creates a protective barrier all the way around your fire pit, keeping kids, pets, and hands at a safe distance. The wide tabletop doubles as extra space for snacks and drinks, so you can enjoy the warmth without juggling plates. Built with sturdy steel and weather-resistant fabric, it's made to last outdoors. Simple, sleek, and practical, it turns any fire pit into a cozy centerpiece. Closet space always feels too tight, but this pull-out hanger rail helps fix that. It slides smoothly in and out, giving you an easy way to store pants, coats, ties, or even scarves without everything getting bunched together. The heavy-duty steel design holds plenty of weight, so you don't have to worry about overloading it. It keeps your wardrobe neat, organized, and accessible. Movie night just got a serious upgrade. This portable projector twists and tilts like a cube, giving you the perfect angle without a stand. It projects crisp, full HD detail on screens up to 150 inches, with rich colors that feel like a cinema at home. Autofocus and keystone correction mean your picture is always sharp, no matter where you set it. With built-in streaming, powerful sound, and hours of battery life, it's entertainment on the go. Who needs store-bought bags when you can make fresh popcorn in minutes? This microwave popper uses heat-safe glass to pop kernels evenly, with no oil needed. The clever lid doubles as a measuring cup and butter melter, so you get just the right amount every time. It's healthier, cheaper, and way more fun than packaged popcorn. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is as easy as the snack itself. Ever wish you could float in your own backyard? This hanging chaise lounge gives you that suspended, weightless feel while keeping you comfy on thick foam cushions. The built-in pillow supports your head, and the curved steel frame gently cradles you as you sway. A removable canopy keeps the sun out, so you can nap or read in peace. Stylish, sturdy, and cozy, it's relaxation made effortless. Tired of tripping over mops and brooms? This wall-mounted holder keeps everything off the floor and neatly in place. 5 slots grip your tools securely, and the extra hooks are perfect for smaller items like bags, coats, or even umbrellas. Each slot has a non-slip design, so even wet mops stay put. Strong, simple, and space-saving, it's an instant upgrade for your home, garage, or garden. Spills, crumbs, and pet hair don't stand a chance. This smart cordless vacuum and mop tackles both wet and dry messes in one go, leaving your floors spotless. It automatically adjusts suction and water flow, so you don't have to think twice about settings. The dual tank system makes sure you're always cleaning with fresh water, never dirty. And when you're done, it cleans itself. No more touching messy rollers. Turn your walls or windows into a living light show. These smart curtain lights pack nearly 1,000 LEDs, creating silky smooth animations and dazzling color effects. You can choose from hundreds of presets, sync them with your favorite music, or design your own scenes for holidays and parties. Combine multiple sets to build a giant display that feels like a digital canvas. Waterproof and easy to hang, they shine indoors or outdoors all year long. Your room lighting doesn't have to be boring anymore. This smart table lamp lets you paint your space with endless color effects, from soft ambient glows to dynamic rainbow transitions. You can set each section to its own shade, match the vibe to your music, or even snap a photo and let the lamp design the perfect look for you. Voice control makes it easy. Just tell it what you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.